Crisp and clear images with 400 TV lines resolution. Defeatable parking lines. Replaces an OEM handle with matching texture to allow camera addition. 0.1 lux sensitivity, additional visibility for low light conditions. Eliminate rear blind spots around your vehicle with this iBeam tailgate handle rearview camera for 1999 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks. The CMOS sensor delivers a clear image, while the parking lines make reversing easy. This iBeam tailgate handle rearview camera has a 168-degree diagonal viewing angle, so you can monitor the rear of the entire truck. Top reviews from the United States. Style and safety. Unclicked my factory, ran the wires and hooked up to my Android 10 inches monitor. Run it in parallel with my video outputs to record driving on the roads. You need to put 3 meters double tape to hold it in place. Great product. I am really happy with the camera. It helps a lot, especially with a lift truck.